Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to my channel. I am Mandy and this is my channel. I like to talk about makeup and makeup panning and all kinds of stuff in real life. Real life stuff. You know, real life stuff. Mostly makeup and makeup panning right now. But you know, there could be other things, real life. If you have any suggestions on videos you'd like to see, or let me know. I'm open to suggestions, and if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button before you leave and turn on the notifications so you'll notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get into today's video. Today we have Child of the 80s. Yes. Child of the 80s was created by J-Lon. J Loves Makeup is her channel. I will have that linked in the description below. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project. The Fantastic Ladies collab group, if you don't know, is a Facebook group where people who like to pan makeup and use makeup can get together and join projects. So yeah, check it out. I will have that linked in the description as well. This is a year-long project that started January 1st and goes until the end of the year, December 31st. There are monthly updates, and it is a roulette-style project where you can select up to 8 to 10 prompts, and there are 80 in total to work from. So I need to get my butt moving because I want to try and get through at least half of them, and I'm not doing so good. But we do have a couple rollouts this month, or at least one, I think. Anyway, let me get into the products as I've brought them in and go over what we're working on and see what's rolling out. So first product I brought in was for Milli Vanilli, a product that isn't what you thought it was, and that is my Skin Volve lotion here. It is a body boosting gel stimulant that is a pre-workout gel that you apply before working out that makes you feel like you have menthol all over your body, and it's supposed to do something. I am slow and steady on this. My goal was to use it 20 times. I have now used it 5 times this month, bringing me to a total of... I didn't calculate. Hold on. 12. I've used it 12 times in this project. It started out up here, oops, and it has gone down to here. Red was last month, so this is our current. And yeah, my problem is I didn't have a regular workout schedule, so I wasn't remembering to put this on. Now I am working out regularly. I just started last week. So I've only put it on once before working out because I'm not used to it. So we are going to, I am going to keep working on this. Hopefully I will have it done by the next update. At least my goals use is met. Maybe I'll have actually the product done. Who knows? But that is a product that is staying in. And then going down, 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 down. Next is for Totally Tubular. That is a product in a tube. And I brought in my Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Oil. And this one was hard to see progress on because I was storing it laying down, and there was product clinging to the sides, and I thought it was way down here, and then it was more up here. I have been keeping it in a cup next to my bed, upright, and I've been using it more frequently. I was just using it at night, but now I've been using it as throughout the day as my lip balm, and we are down to there, and that is all the product settled. Yeah, hopefully this will be done by the next update. Let me see. I didn't calculate how many uses. 1 sec. Okay, a lot of tally marks to calculate. So I used it 21 times this month. That is per day, not per actual use. And so far in this project, I have used it 106 times, give or take. Yeah, so I'm guessing we went from up here and now we're down here. So hopefully that will be done in the next update. That will have 2 rollouts next month, hopefully. Alright, next is Just Say No. And that is something you don't like. I brought in a shade from my Marvicorn palette, and it was the shade 8000, which is this dark highlighter here that I use as a contour shade. I do have it on today. My goal in this project was to use it 20 times. I have used it 6 times over the last month, bringing me to a total of 16 uses. I have 4 more uses to go, and that prompt will be completed. Next was for Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Something that is wild or something out of your comfort zone. I went out of my comfort zone with the liquid liner from KVD. I don't use liquid liners very often, but using this, I actually enjoyed it. It does have a nice brush tip that was nice and easy to use. I've had this for quite a while, but it still works quite well. My goal was to use it 10 times, and as of the last update, I only had 2 more uses to go, and I met those uses. So this is my 1 rollout so far, and I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward in a way to using it some more. I do have another liquid liner that has a felt tip, and I'm not really liking that. So out of the 2 liquid liners I have in my collection, I like this one better. But that one is a rollout. And next up is for the Moonwalk, a black or white item or packaging. And I brought this one here that has black and white. It's white product. This is, I never can tell what the name is. Salon Hair Simplified Use Me Hair. Number 4. A Wave and Curl Rich Defining Cream to enhance all natural textures. It's a curl cream, and my goal is to use it up. Yes. Brought it into the project. It was up here. Last month we were down here, and this month we are down here. Slow and steady progress. I have used this 6 times over the last month. I'm just using a teeny pea size amount every once in a while to scrunch up my texture, and I'm working on it. I'm trying to get in the habit of keeping my hair in a curly texture, but I get lazy sometimes and I don't, and it gets flat, but we're working on it. Gotta enhance what nature gave me, and I'm trying. You know, it's blue, so that's not what nature gave me, but the hair texture is what nature gave me. So that is going to continue on. And then for prompt, another one bites of dust. Another one bites of dust. This one did bite the dust, actually. This is a product that was almost gone, and this is my Pacifica moisturizer. This was a little travel size backup I have of the Dreamy Youth Day and Night face cream. I did cut it open and scrape it all out and used that up. So that is another rollout. So 2 rollouts this month. And alright, next is for 21 Jump Street. Use an item 21 times. So I brought in a lipstick that I've never used yet before this project. It is ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Cami, and it is matte. I do have it on today underneath a lip gloss, and this is the color there. Why do I not get into the center of the camera? There we go. That is the color there. It is a nice nude color. That is it rolled all the way down. I've only used it twice. So I have 19 more uses to go. It is something that is just new and I forget about using, and just getting into the habit of my rotation with my makeup. and hopefully I will get more use on it in the future. Alright, and then last thing I rolled in last month was gotta have more cowbell. And that is something that's an integral part of your routine, and I went with deodorant because, you know, you apply it every day. I use mine 23 times this month. When I'm traveling, I do have a travel deodorant I use instead because this is a bit big. And, ooh, there we go. Oh, this one is making a mess. Alright, so it pushes up from the bottom like a good old push pop, and my best guesstimate as to where the product is at, I marked it here, but I actually think it's a little bit shorter because the base of this is quite thick. But yeah, that is that. It is from Hey Humans, and it is in the lavender and vanilla. I like that it's all cardboard packaging and easy to recycle. The downside is it's a tight squeeze, and yeah, sometimes the packaging gets a little beat up along the way. But yeah, if you're interested in checking that out, I like it. I think it works well for me. It it's not an antiperspirant, so it won't keep you from sweating, but it will keep you from smelling, and on me it works quite well. I've woken up the next day and still smelled it on myself, but it just depends on the weather, you know, what you're doing, all that. So yeah, that is continuing on. So that means we have 2 rollouts this month, and we get to roll 2 new products in. So let me get all set up to do that, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. I have my Pretty Random app, and I have the list of prompts pulled up. Put in 1 to 80 because there are 80 prompts and I don't have them all written down, so we're gonna roll the numbers, see what they are, and pick our products. So let's go. Number 69. Have I done 69? No. Alright, 69. And the prompt for that is, I've fallen and I can't get up. A product you gave in to buying. Okay. And the next one, number 14. No, I haven't had 14 yet. Okay, and that is E.T., a unique product. Alright. Let me take a look and see what I can come up with for these prompts, and I will be right back again. Okay, I am back, and that was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, because like I had products that just instantly popped into my mind. So for number 69, I've fallen and I can't get up. A product that you gave into buying, I'm going to go with the Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. Because I hear people rave about it all the time. I think it's fine, but I think like the Milani Make It Last was just as good. So I don't see why spend extra money for this when the other one worked just as well, in my opinion. So this is just a little travel size, and it's almost empty already, so I am going to put in the goal to finish it. And then for E.T., a unique product, I am bringing in my, I always look at the package like it doesn't actually say anything on it. Oh, there it is. Bite Beauty multi-stick in Peacock Pearl. It is this guy here, and I will give you a swatch. Let me roll it down so I don't break it. But it is a beautiful multi-stick. I use it mostly as a lipstick topper to like darken up a shade that's too bright, because I like to wear dark lips. But I want to play with it because I think I could also use it as a contour. It does blend out nicely, and I think that could be a nice contour shade. Could also use it as an eye base, potentially. Those are the multiple ways it could be used. and I've only used it ever on my lips, so I want to get some use experimenting with it, and I am putting it in for a usage goal of using it 15 times, and I'm gonna try and like mix up the ways I use it, because yeah, but it's really pretty. It's sort of a purpley, bluey, dimensionally color. It's hard to describe because you look at it, it's got purple and it's got blue, and with like a black base. It's just, it's a magic. Yeah, and I want to use it up, you know, get good use out of it before it goes bad, because I've had it for a little while and I've heard Bite Beauty products can go bad quickly. It seems fine. It doesn't smell. It doesn't have anything growing on it. So yeah, those are my updates and roll-ins for this month. If you enjoyed the video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below telling me what your favorite thing is. What would you do with the multi-stick? And yeah, until my next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you then.